Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Lyft is now allowing additional passengers on the app holder's account. Stick around, let's talk about it. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Lyft is allowing second party riders on an account holder's app. Are you shitting me? Just found it out this evening, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So I'm going to go to the Lyft app, passenger app, and pull up where I want to go. I'm going to pick a location, say Santa Monica. Now, when I set the location, there's a button that says Meet. I'm going to push that, and it's going to say Change the rider. As you can see below, I have my wife's name down there and her telephone number. So, if I want to request a ride for my wife or one of my kids, I just go into the app and I hit the Meet button, and it says, very bottom, that is really bad, I'm so sorry guys, add a rider. Damn! What? Oh, this camera sucks. There you go. It's a little out of focus, but it says add a rider or add rider. So hit the plus and it's going to ask you to allow Lyft to sync your contacts. You just hit later and you enter in the telephone number from your contacts. I'm really sorry. Enter the telephone number for the person you want to add, let's say my son, and then it'll go to another screen and allow me to add his name. I don't know how many additional riders it will allow you to add to the Lyft app, but obviously it's at least 2 plus the account holder. So it's really simple. Again, you go to the passenger app, choose your location. Up in the very top in the center it says Me. There's a little drop down arrow. It says add a passenger, enter in the telephone number and that person's name. And now when you request a ride, you're not running the risk of getting a false report of somebody calling back and saying, hey, you know, I requested a ride and the driver took the ride and didn't take me. Now they can add that second party, whether it be their significant other, a child, or a friend, what have you, and when they request a ride, they put that person's name in so the driver knows that's who they're picking up. So just a quick little video. I thought it was pretty cool. Now if Uber would do that and add the passenger's photograph, that would be great. But Lyft, gotta give you a thumbs up for that one. Excuse me. So that's it. Lyft is allowing the app holders to add additional passengers with a telephone number and a name. So let's see if Uber will follow on the coattails of Lyft versus Lyft following the coattails of Uber. So with that being said, everybody, quick little video. Be safe, be professional, keep it real, and as always, drive on. Until next time, I wish you all the best of health.